You seen it in the thumbnail. It ain't cap. Today, son, we making some Cajun creamy chicken pasta, baby. That's right, creamy Cajun chicken pasta. Something very easy to put together, nothing too hard.
Say what?
Everything that is on this table, ingredient-wise, I'll make sure I put it down in the description below. We got chicken, we got mozzarella, we got Colby Jack, we got diced onions. Yo, we got a lot of stuff. So it's time to cook. So we're gonna start out with this one right here. I like to do nice little split down the middle. All right, we got that. And just little quarters, nothing too crazy. So we got this chicken cut up. Now we ready to put some seasoning on there. Get that oil in there and be ready to throw it on the cast iron. So we're gonna start, wait, that's right. I like to start off with some little bit of virgin oil. Pour a little bit of that in there, not too much. Just a dab, I'll probably say a quarter. Start mixing that in. The reason I like to put virgin oil on my meats before I season them, I don't know, I feel like the seasoning sticks better when it has a more wet and solid, greasy surface to stick to.
That's what she said.
We're gonna go hit it with some of this Lawry's seasoned salt. We'll put some paprika in there. We're gonna top it off with this Tony's original Creole. Yeah, so we're gonna bring this chicken to a nice good cast iron skillet. When you hear that, it's go time, baby. It's go time. Now, roughly, I like to keep an eye on my chicken being as though it's already going to cook again once I take this out and cook it with the sauce. But you just want to get a nice, slight brown, simple coating. And when I say simple, don't burn the motherfucker out. But something where it's like, yo, it's cooked enough.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I think it's about time to take it off the skillet, put it in a bowl so it can be ready for that next process, and that's the sauce, baby. All right, y'all, so y'all remember the seasoning that we was using to cook the chicken? All right, that's what we using here, baby. Throw some butter in there. Stir that around. You want to keep your temperature on a little bit of between, not high, not low, right in between. We're gonna toss some of these onions in there. Good, we're gonna add in that diced, roasted garlic. So the next thing we're gonna add in there, y'all, is that heavy whipping cream. And when I'm adding heavy whipped cream in there, I like to stir as I go. Kind of like to eye things out. See what's really going on here. I think that's good right there. That's a nice start. Gotta have that fresh squeezed lemon, y'all. Throw that in there. Give it that nice good zest. Now, when you're cooking this sauce, you gotta make sure you keep an eye on it, most importantly. You don't want anything to stick to the bottom of the pan. You want everything to be consistent. Even though I felt like I put enough heavy whipping cream in there, I'm gonna put a little tad bit more in there just to give it that little bit looser, because realize when I put that cheese in there, it's gonna thicken it back up.
What did he say?
Y'all know what time it is. Time to put some cheese in there. We're gonna start off with the Colby Jack. Well, monetary Jack, I'm sorry. Once again, I like to stir. Everything has to stay consistent. A little bit more cheese in there. All right, y'all. Now, y'all remember that chicken that we was talking about? Now it's time to start adding that in there. Try not to get the juice, because you already got enough juice from the seasoned chicken. All right, y'all, so y'all know we doing that rigatoni pasta. Being as already cooked at the same time, already got my pasta cooked. I will put I used bone broth and a little bit of water, half and half, just to get that flavor and that seasoning. So now we're gonna make some magic here, baby. We're gonna make some magic here. This is where the magic ends. Ooh, it's heavy too. All right, we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that. Yeah, you see all that cheese? Yeah, we're gonna do that. It's a heavy pan, so y'all gonna have to bear with me. We're gonna mix this up. Mix, mix, mix. Spill some noodles, but that's okay. We're gonna do this. Whoa, look at all that cheese. So much cheese. I'm not gonna lie, yo. I do really wish it was a little bit more loose.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
And you know, without further ado, thank you, like, share, subscribe, share this with your family. I'm gonna leave all the ingredients in the description below. Cook it for your friends, cook it for your girlfriend, your ex, your sugar mama.
Abracadabra.
3, 2,